Hello everyone, welcome to Ignition. You join me again with my annoying father here who sucks on water bottles all day.
It still hasn't, the ice is not melting. I'm melting, but it's not. God, we're boring, aren't we?
So, in the last one, I pulled out the Tesla Roadster.
And I pulled out the Jaguar I-Pace SVR.
So there were the rules. And here are the two. Now they're both very sexy cars. I think the Jag is pretty damn sexy.
I saw this morning that Jaguar, I saw a concept picture, too late for us to put it in the competition, of a hatchback which they're thinking of replacing the XF and XE with.
Oh.
And goddamn sexy, it doesn't look like that.
Okay.
There's nothing wrong with that. It's just a bit boring.
Yep, I tend to agree.
It's just a bit boring, and it's up against
the god.
It's the
god.
Tesla. I am a Tesla fanboy, and it's more infrastructure than cars.
Yep.
I freely admit that because I've used them, and their Tesla superchargers are fantastic. But that has made Teslas look sexy.
Yes, it's taken their looks to another level, which is nice.
Which is needed.
And like we say, we're not supercar fanboys, but we're a fan of that.
We are. Why?
I don't really know. I suppose.
I mean, that's nowhere near as pretty as that Genesis that you just poo-pooed the poo-poo. Whatever that means.
Poo-poo the poo-poo. Yeah, but that Tesla Roadster's real.
Well, it isn't.
Well, it is.
Well, that Genesis existed. There was a picture of it.
Yeah, but this is actually coming into production.
We talk out of our asses, don't we? Right then, let's go. Let's crack on. This is a whitewash to me. If you pick that Jaguar I-Pace, well, I might have to flash my nuts.
Oh, right. Well, I'll make sure I don't choose it then. So in 3, 2, 1, Tesla.
Tesla.
Yep.
Oh, the old sack stays in its pack.
Right, get your sack out here, not your proper sack. Tesla Roadster has gone through.
And well deserved.
Jaguar I-Pace SVR is out.
Uh-oh.
What do you mean uh-oh?
Uh-oh.
Why is there an uh-oh?
There's 3 left in here. Does that mean we have a buy, or do we bring one back, or do we do 3? Let's do 3.
Let's do a 3-way. Yeah.
Okay,
let's do a 3-way.
Go on, Jordan.
Right.
Oh, no, I lied. There is 4.
Oh, you knobber.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay,
it's not a 3-way.
Right, so I've pulled out the VW ID4 Coupe. Now, that's a nice car. I like this VW. I like this.
This is great. We could have planned this.
Really? What?
This is punching straight against its nemesis, the Seat Elborn.
Oh, yeah. Slightly different car, but
basically the same. Just different body.
Yeah. So, in the next one, we will find out.
Good one. Watch the next one.
Yes.
It'll be better than this one. This was a whitewash for the Tommy Tesla. Cheers.
See yous.